What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today is get a quick recap of today's session, and we're going to jump right into tomorrow's game plan. That being said, newbies, beginners, this is for you. Go ahead and grab your notepad, pen, paper, whatever it is you use to write with. Let's go ahead and get right to it. Before we start that, guys, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get notified. So, TSLA, baby Tesla. We're going to jump into that one. And as you see, right out of the gate, what did they give us? Let me see. You know, we got the boom boom candles. I love them. Boom. Ran that thing to 1204. I had calls sitting at 1130. Puts at 1085. If you jump right in, you see we get one candle. We get the red candle, invalid. We ain't getting into that. You get the boom boom candle, boom. That's the break. That's the hold. We jumping in. Ran that thing to 1205. As soon as that thing came back down here, we got out of that play right there. If you are a sniper and you was quick with it, you knew what was ready to happen right here. Boom. You got in, you made money. Premium burn. Killing contracts right here. And then this is probably a move right here. This was waiting for Powell. This is when Powell actually got up there and did his thing, and boom, power hour kind of sunk us back down. Right now we sitting at 1190 to close down the place in TSL. If you are a bull tomorrow, you want to see the break at 1190. We get the break at 1190. They can run this thing higher. If you are a bear, you want to see shelf level at 1170 get taken out. You got 1150. They get past 1150. They can start taking it to the lower stuff. Next ticker, we're going to go ahead and talk about HUT. You following this ticker right here, they give you some moves. For HUT, calls at 1480, puts at 1450. They came out of the gate. Boom. I said 1480. Didn't get confirmation, so we ain't in that play. You get the break again. We not in that play. They ran it up to 515.15. What happened? Boom. They get smacked all the way down to 1450. We go up a little bit. This is the second play that we see. What happens here? Premium burn, because they waiting on Powell. We get Powell right here. Boom. They ran it up. Then they came right back down. We came down to about 1460. They boom. Ran that thing back to 1530. Boom. Ran it back down. Right now, we're currently sitting at 1470. If you are a bull for tomorrow, you want to see level sitting at 1505 get taken out. They can start pushing to the higher stuff. If you are a bear, what you want to see levels way out here at 1450 get taken out. They can take out 1450. They're going to smack that thing all the way back down to 1410, and they're going to try to break these levels down here at 1385. They get past 1385, they're going to get smacked. There you have it with that ticker right there. The last one for you newbies I'm going to throw at you, I'm going to throw Palantir at you. Palantir was a little boring today, and they didn't really give that great of a move. We got ugliness. They getting smacked around at 2730. So if I'm watching this, I'm seeing we got smacked at 2730. I'm taking this one candle. That's the break. That's the hold. Boom. I'm in that candle. Boom. I'm getting out right here. We chopping. We going back up. Boom, where we at? 2730. I'm waiting for that first rejection candle because, again, I always say a play is innocent until proven guilty, and they were guilty every time at 2730. I'm jumping in that play. That's my break. That's my hold. Boom. That was my entry. I'm getting in. I'm probably getting out before the 200 because I always tell you, if we in the uptrend and we start heading down, I'm getting out before the 200 because I know what's going to happen at the 200. It's going to be a rejection. They're going to try to run it back up. They're going to come back to test it again, and they're going to run it back up. Me, I like to maximize my profit. I get out on the move. I get out before the initial level that I call out for the bottom, I don't want no part of that. My job is to maximize the profit. I might buy a contract that if I'm playing SPY, I might buy a 5-day contract. I have no intentions of holding that play for 5 days. I'm looking for, if I'm buying a call right here, or let's say if I'm buying a put right here, I'm going to follow my process, the break, the hold, boom, I'm getting in it right there. I'm riding that down. Again, if I see that 200, I'm getting out before the 200 because I'm trying to maximize my profit, avoid getting into this kind of stuff right here. I'm trying to maximize that play and move on. So guys, if you are a bull and you looking for calls in this play tomorrow, they are sitting at 27.13. So what you want to see, you want to see 27.30 get taken out. First and foremost, they start getting through that, then that means they have conquered 27.30. They are ready for their next run. Next run up is going to be 27.40. They start getting through there, then you can start seeing the $28, the 28.15s, the 28.30 moves. If you are bearish in this play right here, you want to see levels at 27.05 get taken out. They take out that. You want to see 26.85 get taken out. They break through there. They got room to run down to test these levels way down here at 27.40 and lower. They get smacked at 26.20. We coming back down to the 25 land. Now to jump into the big dog plays. Show the high rollers some love. Let's go ahead and jump into the very first one, Nvidia. This was the play that you needed to be in today. It actually started yesterday when they had that big drop down to 100. You would have got into there. I added me long-term plays. I want to see them actually come back to 95, 90 level so I can keep adding to my position. But anyway, Nvidia, I had calls at 112.25 for calls, 110.90 for puts right out of the gate. Boom, we went up, but then they came back down to this level right here and they popped it again. Boom, we still ain't getting in. It ain't no confirmation. Boom, no confirmation. Chopping, don't want to see that. We know the Fed is in town, that's why. But right here, that's the break, that's the hold. Boom, you still into that play because it's still inching up. We sitting at 116.45 all the way from 112. That's a $4 move right there. If you want to get out, I always say once you pass that 9 EMA, the next one is going to be the 20. If they start breaking through the 20, get out of that play right there. You done already did what you needed to do. It's no sense in even waiting for it to break the 20. Go ahead and trim them profits down. We chopped a little bit, kept chopping. They ran it right back up. Boom. We got to 118.40 and then they got smacked right back down. Nvidia is sitting at 121.20. They are on a absolute tear after closing. A lot of people always ask me, hey, Fresh, how do you find your levels? Scroll left. Fresh, you're the spy whisperer. You got a crystal ball. No, I don't. I got the chart. I got the same thing everybody else have. Scroll left, you find your levels and you figure out which one is the best one and you stay true to it. And that's exactly what I do. 122.80. You want to see bulls break 122.80. They break 122.80. They had it to 125. If you are a bear, you want to see them get back down to 118.45, start closing candles up under there, and then we can start coming back down to shelf levels, sitting at 116.50 and start headed back down to the lower stuff. But man, if Nvidia start taking out 125, 127, better put them seatbelts on because you're going to see 130, 133, 135, 137. They're going to rock and roll. We got a little data out there that may kind of give the market some wiggle room down or up, but hold on to your seats if they start breaking 125. We're going to go ahead and jump into the SPY. Right out of the gate, I said 550.10 break for calls, 548.20 for puts. We broke it. There's my level right there, 550.10. Boom. We don't get in. We didn't get confirmation. Boom. And this is where people get that FOMO at. You're scared they're going to miss the play. They go ahead. Oh, Fresh said once it gets to 550.10, I'm going to get into the play. And knowing good and well, I said, you got to wait for your 3 candle confirmation. If you don't get it, you don't get into play. Simple as that. No FOMOing. And that's exactly what we do, because we scared we gonna miss this play. So we just say, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and jump in it. And soon as you jump in it, what happens? You get that red boom boom candle. Boom, and you come down, and now you're annoyed, you mad at the world because you jumped into play irresponsibly, and you shouldn't have, because you should have waited, sat on the sideline. I always tell you, the play is going to present itself. You got to have patience. If you ain't got patience, you're not going to make it in this game. And we want you to make it in this game. Wall Street is a big playground. Plenty of money out there. No reason why I can't be successful in it. You can't be successful in it. 10 of your friends be successful in it. And my whole family in my Discord, my whole YouTube family, everybody to be able to make some money in this game. That's why I do it. That's why I give the levels out here that I give. That's why I try to help you when I can, because it ain't no reason for every one of us to be able to master this market and make some money. So shout out to all you guys that don't FOMO, that don't have a problem with sitting on the sideline and able to sit back with a sniper outfit on, wait for that play to present itself. And soon as that thing presents itself, you go ahead and popping that play and making that money. So guys, it kept chopping right here. We get to the top 551.60, and what happened? We boomed it down a little bit. They rode that 9. Anytime they ride that 9 and they premium chop like that, you know it's some type of data that's on the back burner that's ready to be released. And in this case, it was Fed Powell. And 2 o'clock when he was supposed to come out, you get that drop. We hit the 50 EMA and we bounce. If you just playing rejection areas, it's money to be made. Just playing rejection areas, EMA, rejection sites. There's your break. There's your hold. Boom. Boom. You riding that 9 EMA all the way back up here. You sitting at 553.50. And then what happened? I called this play out. I said if they broke 550.10, and go back, check the records in there, check where I called out 550.10. I said that's the bull sweet spot. If they break that right there, it's off to the races. And what did they do? They broke it. Boom, ran that thing up. Now, if you caught that break, look at my 3-step process. You caught the break, 550.10, green candle, that's the break. That's the hold. Second candle. We enter in that candle. As soon as we see that green candle, boom. Yeah, you get 2 red candles. We not panicking because we haven't broke the 9 EMA. We jumping. Boom. We running that thing up. Now it came back down. We got that next level at 551.50. I think I got out at 552.60. You get that candle. Boom. We sitting up here. Somebody put in the chat, hey, Fresh, how far up do you think we going to go? I got a level at 554.20, but I said it's a lot of turbulence to get to that point right there. I'm not interested. I'm getting out because my job is to maximize my profit. And I don't want nothing to do with premium burn. So I'm out at my level and I'm done with that play. Boom. Check the chat. What did I say? 549.10 we were coming back to. Get out of puts. I put the alert. I put the caution yellow sign up. I said, anybody still in puts, get out. To the number. 549.10. Boom. Ran that thing all the way back up. And then we came down to close it out at 550.45. Some data out there, not data, but some good earning calls happened. And as you see, we're sitting at 552.83. So if you are a bull, you want to see 553.50 get taken out. Then they running it to my next level, 554.20. They break through there. I got a level at 555.55. They break through that 555.55. boom, we're going to make that run towards 559.20. So hold on to your seats. We get past that. If you are a bear, what you want to see this level right here at 551.55 get taken out. They can take that out. They're going to start swinging it back to 550.10, and we'll get to the lower stuff. We'll handle in real time once they start breaking through these levels. I will also update levels tomorrow morning before the session start. So, all right, guys, I'm not going to take much more of your time, but hey, do me a favor. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to our channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get notified. If you like sniper type, level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite ticker, SPY, Tesla, AMD, Nvidia, HUT, Palantir, go ahead and tap into our Discord. The link is in the description below. Guys, you already know we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.